Hello, today I will show you how to set up our Chrome plugin in our Chrome extensions, and this is for our encryption app. So to do that, first of all, you need to head to our website. So head to www.cypherdog. Once you've done that, you can head down to our email encryption page, scroll down, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see our Cypherdog email encryption plugin. So today we're doing Google Chrome, so click on Chrome, and then click Add to Chrome. Once you've done that, add extension on the right hand side. You'll know if it's successfully added if it will say remove from Chrome and you get this pop-up bar here that says it's been successfully added. So what we can do now is use the Chrome extension and encrypt emails very simply within Google Chrome. So to do that, enter the email address, enter in the subject title here. So we'll just call it Chrome plugin as an example, and then enter the message. So here's our message that we're going to encrypt. So to do that, highlight it, right click on the whole message and head down to Cypherdog email encryption and then click encrypt message and click yes. And once you've done that, there we go, the message has been encrypted. That's only a one-time pop-up message, so you won't receive that after you click yes. So what we can do now is we can go ahead and send that message. So we've just sent the message. Head over to our emails so we will show you how to decrypt the message now. So here we go. Here's the encrypted message that's been sent to us. So click on the bar and there we go. That's the message that now has been decrypted. So it's very simple to use, very easy to use, and that's how you set up and install our Chrome plugin.